already. So moving on. Now I want to discuss with you guys how to generate the random numbers. Random numbers is a lot of times you will come across where you have to either pass the random numbers that you want to generate, or sometimes you have to pass the timestamp. Okay, so there for the timestamp, it's a really quick and easy way. So JMeter does come with many functions that you can use. Uh, those function expressions can be used anywhere. So let's do for the timestamp real quick. Okay, so let's say we want to pass the timestamp. Okay, it could be timestamp, it could be random numbers, but in reality, this is a time that is going to be sent, and this time is also uh, called the millisecond time, or the epoch time. So the way we do it, it's a straightforward function. You start with dollar, curly braces. You put within the curly braces, you start off with two underscores, not one, two, and then you say time, and you call the time method or time function. Now we will see what exactly is being passed here. Okay, so clear it, run it, and see right now over here, this is being passed. And let's see what date is this. To time or milliseconds to time already. So this is our value. It is Friday, January 22. This is the value that it comes out with. Okay, so basically in Java we do the current time. Over here, this is how we get the current time. Okay, moving on. So there's another way we can generate the random numbers. This is the way we can generate the random number in case if you need this one. In case if you don't, there's another way we can do it, and that is there are multiple config elements that are given in JMeter, and one of that is random generator. So let's get the random generator. Over here you will see random variable. You can take random variable on the top just for simplicity. Now we will generate the numbers with the random variable. So let's open. First we're gonna give the name, we just say random. Then we're gonna put the output format. In this case we're gonna say let's say we want 5-digit numbers or 5 numbers, and what we want these numbers minimum value and the maximum value. So let's say the minimum value is this, and let's put the maximum, which is this 99999. Ready. So okay, so now what we want to do is we want to generate the random numbers for every user. Okay, so let's say if we put more than one users, every user is gonna be generated with the random number. Okay, so let's put true. Let's see how it works. so instead of this we will put random, just to see if we are able to pass the random numbers. Here we go. So we are able to pass the 5-digit random number. The reason it is 5 is because we over here are telling that we need the 5-digit random number. Okay, so yes. Alrighty, moving on. So now we want to see how we can generate the random string, 10 alphabet string in JMeter. So how we can do it, it's pretty simple. There are a lot of times you have to create the email addresses, the random email addresses. There are a lot of times you have to have random alphabets that you want to pass into your request. So the way we do it, let's duplicate this, or let's just use this one again. So random string. So we're gonna create the random string. So for the random string, JMeter has given the function, or one-liner function that you can use, which is again starts with $, then curly braces, then you put 2 underscores, and then there is a method called, the method is called random string, and the random string takes 2 arguments. One is how many alphabets you wanna output off, and then it takes what characters or what alphabets you want to use. So in our case, let's just use everything. Got it? So now what it's going to do is it's going to print out 10 alphabets randomly. It's going to pick 10 alphabets and pass it here. Okay, so let's test it. Here we go. So over here we can see that it is passing the random string.